Manufacturing of wood pellets from leaves and grasses, which are often considered as waste materials, is gaining momentum as a sustainable alternative to liquefied petroleum gas (LPG), which is also known as cooking gas. The wood pellet and its burner can reduce cooking costs by nearly half compared to LPG prices. However, due to lack of funding, the ability to scale up production has been limited. We have an exclusive report from SKTV News Chief Reporter Khetrimayum Premchand and camera person Roshan.
Manipur has seen a rise in youth entrepreneurship with persons like Elangum Jalamba from Patsoi leading the way to create sustainable income and benefit the local community. As the provider of Umang Energy, Jalamba has taken an innovative approach by utilizing abundant leaves that typically fall to the ground. He shared his story with SKTV News, explaining that the idea to manufacture wood pellets came to his mind while observing these useless leaves.
Sumain to ni aina college karing ay matam side da hoina chingda gumbo sum chat pasida una wana se adum lemna makha tar lei sisina bam khangdan lei budu dagi si kaido madi semaga kana ba puthok ya ga dana sum adu dagi inspire oiraga uchan mana se dagi horaga sigi wood pellet sida hujik sum flow ma laga si semba hojaki bani si se akoina wood pellet haira khangnei ko maruina masi biomass haitare sawdust adigi rice husk hairadi okoi wai gumba adumba jingse loi mix tawraga sembe hai aduga mase renewable energy gi manungda challe haibadi okoi gi u adigi wai na jingba jingse adum halakpani na amu tharaga hogolak pot oibani na renewable energy chinge aduga thariba potse sisu eco friendly haitare fossil fuel burn tawbasidi carbon gumba yam emit tawwa haitare ne ko adu sigi sidi yam mai emission gi chang yam neme aduna eco friendly green energy manung da challe haitare economical yam oiba haitare gas hujiki Manipur gi situation sida laiba gas ki phangdabagi or tangkhatpagi problem leise yam economy oina seasonaraga tawbi yarani.
Jalamba maintained that following Umang Energy's successful production of wood pellets, the company has progressed to manufacturing burners. Umang Energy partnered with Kesham Seed Metal and Iron Work at Sagolban, Ingudam Leirak to produce a variety of burner sizes. These burners are currently utilized in various industries, including bakeries.
Blowers in a nuxit air supply gini blowers in tawdisina aduga sigi motors in a pellet ki fit torok na baitar pellet inchilak na baitar adum ungala gedam na te si se my time interval ama setting the same dine samna hakan da second tara lair ungakpa second nipan lair ungakpa na sigi akoi controller box de lo yauri ko akoi gas cylinder gi regulator lekhat lisa tawdu maina sida sudum magi speed se sanabe haitar intensity se setting se manung da semaga haitar S content haidi mai chakra matung da lemoba utse yam ne me hatare akoi singumba thaba wai gumba thajan badadi mai lemoriba ut ki chang jam wange ba sidi 1% muk lem gani ba ti sin zum photo pa yare hatare ut yam thok tabani S content je almost simakha da din ta ta gumba.
Jalamba highlighted the growing trend among large commercial bakeries to adopt wood pellet burners for more sustainable and efficient energy use. However, he is currently facing challenges, particularly shortage of funds, which limits his ability to expand manufacturing. Despite these hurdles, Jalamba remains committed to developing wood pellet burners suitable for household use.
No model loiba bakery dum yawe ba cylinder ma se ado sigi akhoi gi si season matam pellet wood pellet ki akhoi si burner season matam dadi my cost saving do around almost 50% magi me the cost save tawrani hujik Manipur da ayam ba season ai se gas ka singa na season ai ko akhoi firewood se ado firewood season abagi magi ka drawback hair ga di mai khu ba adigi hori ba mi tu da mai sa yamna radiate tauba hai tare hakchang da sukni ai oiba masak ma khar yauri hai tare firewood sina matam da ado akhoi gi wood pellets se sinner ba matam da di mangon dagi maikhu hai pochima adum almost nil nen lo biare ado ga hit chu akoi ba yam radiate tau de duna thabak chu yam nungai na dum su biare hai tare firewood ki proper replacement hai economy da yang ko matam da chi sina best star ni.
To achieve development and move towards developed state, we need to focus more on self-sustaining and focus on producing our own goods. Umang Energy is one such example that produce their own goods, so it is essential, whether maybe from financial institutions or relevant government authorities, would extend some financial help to help them grow and succeed in the future. With camera person Roshan, this is SKTV Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.